Use VLOOKUP to return multiple columns of data. Instead of returning columns one by one like this, where you would use one formula to return the calories data, so returning the second column from above, and then a second formula to return the sugar data, so returning the third column from the data above, and then you'd use a third formula to return the total fat data, so returning the fourth column from the table above, and then you might drag your formulas down to complete your table. Instead, you can use one formula to return the data. So in the first cell, use the same VLOOKUP formula, but where you would return column 2 in the previous one, this time you're going to use the curly brackets, and you're going to return columns 2, 3, and 4 in one formula. So you'll see when you do it that way, all of the columns are populated with one formula. You can drag your formula down and you're complete with your table.